Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim how to assembly. So for example, I will create sketch and create a circle, set for diameter into 4, use pull tools to convert into 3D, and the next you can save this file into the design1. Okay, I will create again another design. Okay, you can use the circle and set for diameter. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. You can save, and we can save into design2. Now you can close again. To assembly the files, you can create again new design and then click on assembly tools and click on file. Okay, you can open your file, design1, and file again, design2. Now to connect lines, you can use these align tools in assembly. Okay, I will click from the center point into center point in here. You also can move, like I will move from this face into here. So we can use the tangent tools. You can select at this face and also in the top face. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to assembly. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.